Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing Harry Potter. We're going to be doing Aragog in the Forbidden Forest. I'm pretty excited about this. It has 195 pieces and it comes with Harry and Ron. So let's get into it. Oh, look at the little baby spiders. That's so cute. Okay. We're gonna choose scared Harry Potter face. Ooh. Where are your legs, buddy? Oh, they're gray. Okay. Here we go. Where's your wand, mate? Are they not? There you are. Cute. Okay. So we're going to start with circle. And we're going to add a little blue piece and this guy with a hook right here. We're going to add this guy. We're going to add this guy. We're going to add this guy here. And then this guy here. We're going to add one more blue guy here. And another one of these little hook guys, but he's going to come up here. And now we're going to add a blue little leaf in this corner. Yeah, in this corner. Along with this guy. We're gonna cover that up, and then we're gonna have this guy right here, and a green piece in this lower corner, topped with this guy. Now we're gonna have a little quarter circle piece right here, and then two of these, wait, wrong side, like this. And another corner piece. That right? Yeah, that looks right. We're gonna add the other blue leaf right here. And a little spider. He's gonna go right here. Oh, how cute. I love him. I love that. Okay, and then we're turning it. And we are attaching these guys. And this one's gonna go here. There it is. That looks about right. And this guy is gonna get the other little spider. Come on now. And then, oh ho ho, right here. Wait, flip it. Wrong side. Right here. Sorry, I got a little bit of OCD. There we go. Adorable. Tilts adorbs. You're gonna move to the side and wait. Okay. Still same bag. We're gonna, lay the base for Aragog. Uh-oh, okay. So, we're gonna start with the connector, red piece. We're gonna slide one of these guys in, two of these guys in, and then end it with another connector. And we're supposed to do that twice. There we go. Okay, so one is gonna go here, and the other is gonna go here. Okay, now we need 4 of these guys to fill in the space. So then you're gonna move another base. We're gonna add this guy here, this blue guy here. Now we're gonna have this guy here, this guy here, and then is it 2 of you guys? 2 of these guys. 1 here, 1 here, and we're touching this guy down here, and then these, it's gonna go right on top. Yep. So we're gonna add this guy down here. And then we're gonna, oh, it says little eyes. That's so cute. Sorry. Okay, he's right here. Yes, and then like that, and then goes here. Cute. Okay. Ronald Phileas Weasley. We're gonna have him scared too. And I really liked Ron. That might be a hot take. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. We're gonna go ahead and give him his wand. Yeah, I definitely think Hermione should have ended up with somebody like Victor Crumb or Harry. I liked her with Victor Crumb. Come on, guy. There we go. Here we go. Alright. He's holding a little lamp and he's scared. You're gonna, ooh. Okay. You front heavy? Is that what's going on here? There we go. Okay. Moving on. Okay. We're gonna start with connector and a gray piece, and we're gonna add one of these guys, and let's see, did I do it backwards? No, hold on. Oh, okay. He's on this side. I was like, wait a minute. Wait a dang minute. Okay, that makes more sense. So this is gonna go through here. Come on. Come on now. Ha. Okay. And then we're gonna put one of these guys. Okay, hold on. Ta-da! Now we're gonna add one guy here. Okay, we're gonna put you down for a sec. And we're gonna start with this guy. Like this. And this piece. It's gonna go here. And then this is gonna go right here. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna do that again. Where's the other little piece? Where is it? There it is. Da, 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 da. Yes. Okay. Back down again. We're gonna start with this bad boy. I know it's been a minute since I did these videos, and I don't know why I'm nervous. I've already done this. Silly human, I know. Okay, we're gonna do a black piece on this side, and gray piece on this side, and two of these blue guys down here. Now we have one on this side, one on this side, one on this side, and one on this side. Yes, yes. Okay. Move you over. Gray piece, little gray piece, second gray piece, aha, I wasn't crazy, it was hiding underneath a piece. It's not that I'm just blind, of course not. Okay, blue. We got brown and brown, and then we got this guy. Oop. This guy, and then he is gonna cover him. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so this guy is gonna come back here, and we're gonna add him here, and this black piece. Where does this black piece go? Like that? I think it goes like that. We're gonna leave it like that for now. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay. Now we're gonna add this small piece. No? Wrong way, Jasmine. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Now, these two guys. Okay, now we're going to put you down. We're going to start with one side. two sides connected with a blue piece. And, yep. Oh, we do that twice. Okay. Haha. Okay. So this is going to connect here. Okay, little fang. Little fang. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. Okay. We got that. Now we put in one of these guys, and then we attach one of these guys. Okay, and this okay, so these are supposed to go down. No, it's crooked. It'll be fine. Leave it alone. Okay. So then this and this, I think. Oh, yep. All right. Last bag. Oh man, okay. We're gonna attach 8 of these guys. 1, 2. Whew, mama. Okay. Now we're gonna have one of these guys connect to one of these guys. 8 times our favorite. Okay. Okay. Now okay. We're gonna have a tube. And he's gonna... No way, really? Okay. On both sides. And then he gets one of these guys. Maybe it doesn't close all the way. Okay, no it doesn't, I'm not crazy. And then one of these guys. And I'm supposed to do that 8 times. Voila! There we have Aragog. I think he's pretty cute. I love spiders. I like Aragog, especially in the movie. These little tiny baby spiders are pretty adorable as well. And you got Harry and Ron scared you know what. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!